Isa ba kayo sa mga kasama sa National Learning Camp? At gusto ninyo mag-quit para ma-enjoy ang bakasyon? Narito nga ang isang open letter galing sa DepEd Tambayan, Reasons for Declining the National Learning Camp Invitation. Pero kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa aking account. Gurong Gala! As we all know naman mga kaguro na ang National Learning Camp or NLC ay isasagawa sa darating na buwan ng July, na kung saan ito namang si National Learning Camp ay isang voluntary. Voluntary mga kaguro ha, hindi ito sa pilitan. Actually, para sa kaalaman ng nakakarami, ang National Learning Camp po ay isang proyekto sa DepEd na kung saan yung ating mga mag-aral ay tuturuan tulad ng pagbabasa. Makakatulong ito para sa quality of education. Tingnan natin yung halimbawang open letter na ipinapakita o ibinigay ng DepEd Tambayan. At ito nga yung reasons for declining the National Learning Camp invitation. Ito yung sample na pinost ng DepEd Tambayan sa kanilang page. Tara tingnan natin. Dear Sir, greetings. I am sorry to inform you of my decision not to participate in the upcoming National Learning Camp. I understand the importance of this event for our school's educational goals, and I sincerely regret having to decline this opportunity. Due to the recent demands of work and limited time for personal matters, I have had sufficient opportunities for family bonding. To best prepare for the upcoming school year, I believe it is important for me to take some time to reconnect with my loved ones and recharge. While I value the learning camp's potential benefits, I am concerned that attending may hinder my ability to fully invest in both my family and my professional responsibilities. As a teacher, my priority is to provide the highest quality education possible. I believe that taking this time from my family will ultimately allow me to be a more effective educator. My well-being and personal life are essential to my ability to contribute positively to our school community. While I cannot be physically present at the learning camp, I remain dedicated to my students' education and I am open to supporting the event in other ways. I hope you will understand my decision and kindly excuse me from attending. I remain committed to our school's success and will continue to contribute in other ways both now and in the future. Thank you for your understanding and consideration. So yun mga kaguro, pwede nyo magamit itong open letter para maging guide ninyo if ever gusto nyo ring mag-quit na mag-participate sa National Learning Camp. Though hindi naman tayo tumatanggi sa trabaho, pero tulad nga nung sample letter na to, sinasabi niya dito yung kanyang limited time for personal matters. Gusto niyang ma-spend yung time niya o yung vacation niya with his or her family. So let us all just respect each other and enjoy the rest of our vacation. Yun lang, salamat!